Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. So the market is still doing its thing. We're not surprised, guys. There's so much stuff happening in the market. But what I like here is I see this is one of the biggest real or property firm. It seems to be recovering because I know it also have a huge effect on the market. Is the Chinese biggest actually property firm. So I can see they went up 20%, which is actually good. So you can see British pound, it's also selling aggressively actually against the dollar. So there are so many things that we can check, and if you combine all of this stuff, you will start to realize that there is some things this week. Actually, I don't really see the market moving very nice until Friday because everyone is still expecting NFP. There is unemployment change, sorry, jobless claims on Thursday also. That can also affect the way we see the market. Remember, it's still the new month actually, so we expect to see some good stuff, but this is the first week. Let's hope that things they will be going very nice. You can see even here the stock futures are little changed on Monday evening. So maybe today things will change. So when we go on our economic news, you know we have to. You can see that today is Tuesday. We have job openings around 4 p.m. Around, okay, it's only that. So tomorrow we have service PMI. This also moves around 4, and also non-farm employment change also moves, right? So on Thursday we have unemployment claims. This actually will move, especially when it comes to gold. So I think that is going to actually push the market. So on Friday we have the biggest economic news actually. So this is going to actually move the market very nice, and this is actually going to be something that is going to drag the market. We know this when we expect the news, the market sometimes tends to move very slow or consolidate, right? So yeah, let's go straight to the chart. I hope maybe you learned something, or you can still go and do your research there. I think that can actually help. So what's really happening on DXY or dollar index? What's really happening? So we can easily see that yes, the market is doing what? It's still pushing to the upside, and this is the reason why we see like gold pushing lower and lower, because the dollar is very strong, guys. Everyone, since they said they're going to increase the interest rates, it's obvious that obviously the gold is going to go down, maybe the likes of Nasdaq, even though they seems to be confused. But those things, or let's say currency pairs, when we check currency pairs, we can easily see that they are actually going in a direction where actually it favors the dollar, which means the dollar is very strong. You can see actually on the chart that the market is actually pushing to the upside. The market has been pushing to the upside, and now we broke out of that resistant area that actually can even push the market to push even lower on the other pairs. But on the dollar side, it's way very stronger. So which means we are actually on a very nice uptrend, which means the dollar is actually on its way to go even way too strong. So another thing is from tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I don't know, I might not actually post some videos, but I will see what I can do, because some issues, family issues and stuff like that, so I need to attend to that. But if I can do that if I can able to do that, I will make sure that I update you. So on Gbpusd, now let's push to Gbpusd. Let's see if maybe there is something changing. Not much, but I like the structure. You can easily see that since we did talk about this nice trend line, the market is doing some great stuff, guys. You can see here the market did touch that, and now it's pushing lower. It even broke out of this support area, which means we're going to have a very nice sell again. This is a support. You can see the market broke out there. It seems like the market it's retesting. I'm expecting the market to continue, but the biggest thing that I like here is we already know that we are actually on a downtrend. So it means we just continue with the sells. We just continue taking the sell positions. It's not like maybe it's something new. We just continue with the downtrend, right? We just continue taking those sell positions. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. So on Euro USD, what's really happening on Euro USD? I like this the structure here, quite the same, quite similar actually, as GBP USD. We just broke out of this support. The market is retesting, so I'm expecting to continue to see another sell there, so which makes our job very clear, or very simple actually. But remember, this week we have enough economic news, so anything can happen. When we take these trades, make sure that you apply your risk management. But the bigger picture here is, yes, the market is actually pushing lower, so I'm expecting the market to continue pushing lower and lower. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, which is actually gold. On gold yesterday here, I thought maybe the market was going to reverse a little bit. It did, but again, the market kept pushing lower. Why? Because the dollar is very, very strong. What's really happening is, I think it's quite straightforward. I've been repeating this for quite some time. That's why I just want to make this video very, very, very short. So you can easily see that the market is pushing low. As you can see that we actually reached the resistant area few weeks ago, or a week ago actually. Then after that, the market started to actually give us this sell position. So you can see that the market is actually selling and selling. And when we check here, we don't really have a proper, this is just melting, guys. We don't really have a proper structure where the market is just moving like that, where maybe we can connect 1 or 2 points. The market is just look here. The market is just selling. We had a nice buy yesterday, small buy there. The market did actually push in our favor, but not that long. Then after the market did what? The market actually started to push lower. So this shows that actually the market is aggressively on this seriously sell. So I'm expecting the market to retest around this support area. It's going to be our resistance now, something like that. So I'm expecting the market to retest around this area before maybe we see the market pushing lower. That's what I see currently. But the best way is to, the way I see it, this thing, as long as it's not going to give us proper structures, it's just going to be way too difficult for anyone to take trades, you see. Yes, you can buy or you can sell and make some profits here and there, but still it's like unnecessary risk because we don't really have proper structure. We need structures that connect, like this ones, or maybe at least here. But this one like that, it's difficult because we don't know if maybe where can we say this is a resistance or the support. So that's why it's actually difficult. So sometimes it's much better to just stay out of the market. That way you can save your account. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. If we go on US30, you will easily see that we had a very nice uptrend. The market was pushing up very nice. So from this push, you saw a breakout, and now the market is just playing games there. But I'm still expecting a push to the lower side. But it doesn't mean that maybe we can't have a buy around where we are now. We can still have that because the market, one way or another, the market can still reverse. But the bigger picture is, yes, we are actually on a downtrend. Someone said, actually, Kenzo, I see something maybe, but I think it was on Nasdaq, on a weekly analysis, on a weekly structure. Let me check that. Maybe I will get something. He said, Kenzo, check something on a weekly, but I think it's on Nasdaq. on Nasdaq. He said there is something, so I will go check there. So I just want to check here even on US30 if maybe there's something. I don't really see much here on US30. I don't really see anything crazy. So yeah, I think it's much better for us just to go back on our 4 hours time frame. Then we will do that on maybe on Nasdaq. So after that uptrend, you can easily see that yes, the market is doing what? It's now pushing to the lower side after the breakout. So which means here, yes, we can have a quick buy, but we know that the market is doing what? The market has to push lower. So which means we have to actually extend this downtrend, but that can still change because we are still on the early stages of this trend, and it's not like maybe it's still like 100% solid. The market can change anyway, but I am expecting a nice push to the upside, maybe pushing lower up, something like that. So that's what I'm expecting actually. So if maybe the market doesn't really want to continue like that, maybe we'll see the market breaking out of this resistant area and starting to push the upside. But I'm just expecting a very nice push the upside before pushing lower. As for now, I'm just sticking on this downtrend. I will change my mind when I see a breakout here and say, okay, maybe something is happening. But besides that, I'm still actually on that bearish. So now we are actually on Nasdaq. Let's check this one. Let's start with that weekly analysis. Maybe we will get something. Let's make this auto weekly. Oh, okay. Oh, I think he's talking about this area. That area. You can see here, I see a push here, and also the market did push, but it's not really that much. So we will see if maybe, oh, let me just zoom. I don't know if maybe you can able to see this. I think it's way too big. I think weekly it's a way too bigger time frame. Maybe we can use daily. Maybe on a daily time frame we can see something. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. I think he's talking about, he was talking about this area, that zone. Oh, maybe that. Okay, I see that. So on that, it's possible, but I think where we are, even if we don't really go back to our left that much, I think already the market is creating something there. The market is showing us something there. It's a support area there. But let's just go on a 4 hours time frame if we can able to see that. Maybe we can able to see that. Let's see. I saw this, but I was not able to send yesterday. The time I wanted to send, it was already gone. So that structure is actually around this area. So yeah, it's possible. We can see that yes, we have a nice downtrend, but it seems like even here it's a resistance. You can see that. So let me just remove this. So that resistance is actually, let me just zoom a little bit. It's actually around here. So which is fine. So our job is to do what? Is to understand when, or is to able to see when the market is changing this downtrend and getting out and start to push the upside. Then we can say, okay, the market is now pushing, is changing the direction or is changing the trend. For now, I think that type of a bigger time frame is fine, but it's going to be confusing. As long as we can focus on the structures that we have currently, that is also going to help. If we break out here, already we know that, okay, the market is getting out. And it seems like the market is struggling to break this out. Maybe the market will continue pushing lower. We will see. But this week, guys, I'm not actually going to entertain the market that much. We still did not really have some very good trades, but you know what, we always bounce back. We know what we're doing. So but sometimes the market does do its thing. You see, sometimes the market does do its thing. As I said, maybe I won't be available tomorrow, let's say actually from tomorrow until Sunday. So yeah, we will see what's really happening. But if maybe I have enough time, then I will actually update you. This message actually is also for my people in the group where I send the signals. So if maybe you are here, you can listen here. Just know that maybe things might be a bit slower, let's say for this week. then next week we'll be back actually to normal. But I will just try my best to get something, because I don't really want to force sending the signals when I'm also occupied on other things, you see. So anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. Check my description, WhatsApp me, Telegram me, and let me know if you want to be part of the team. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.